Gideon Taylor eForm templates help institutions get up and running with automated business processes in less time. This video will show you an option for streamlining course management with the Add a Course eForm and workflow. Course management eForms allow faculty or curriculum committee members to submit new courses for the catalog. This template is designed to show a range of options for creating new catalog courses. But as with all the templates in the Gideon Taylor form library, it can be changed, extended, or simplified to meet any institution's needs. Gideon Taylor eForms work with the PeopleSoft Work Center, making it easy for users to access forms. But Gideon Taylor can also help your team link to a form from any portal or self-service interface. This demo shows course management forms in a faculty menu. Gideon Taylor's search configuration and consultant resources can help clients create the ideal search permissions for their own course management process. Click the Add a Course link to get started. The form opens to a Preparer Information segment, which is pre-populated with contact and department information. Use the date picker in the effective date field to choose the date the new course should become active. In the Course Information segment, enter the intended course title, course description, and other details. Prompts and drop-downs are configured to help speed form completion. After completing course details, select an option for course cross-listing. If cross-listing with an existing or new course, a hidden segment will become available. Use a prompt to select an existing course to be cross-listed or equivalent, or use an open edit field to indicate a new course to be created. If a course will not be cross-listed, the user clicks Next to continue to the following page. In the Additional Course Details segment, enter course units and grading basis. Enter minimum course unit. This template includes logic that will default maximum units and grading basis when the minimum units is entered. The fields remain open and can be changed if necessary. Select a repeat for credit value. If yes is selected, then additional fields will become available for total allowed units and total allowed completions. Otherwise, select No to continue to the next segment. Use the Course Attributes grid to enter one or more attributes. Select a course attribute and then add a course attribute value. Course attribute values are configured so that they are filtered by course attribute, so only valid course attribute values can be selected for every course attribute. Use the plus and minus buttons to add additional values. In the Optional Requirement Designation segment, use the prompt to select an existing requirement designation. This page defines course components. The primary component segment contains some instructions to help the user select appropriate values. Rich text instructions can be configured for any page or segment where needed. Select a course component and final exam option. Enter any additional information required for the course component. If instruction mode is defined, then attendance type must also be entered. Use the Additional Components field to define whether this course will have one or more secondary components. Select Yes to show the Additional Components grid. Enter the component, final exam option, workload hours, and whether the component is optional. Use the plus and minus buttons to add additional components. If the course will have only a primary component, select No Additional Components. In the File Attachment segment, add a course syllabus file to the course request. Click the Upload button, click Choose File, select a file, then click Upload. Look for the file name to appear in the Doc ID column. Then select a description. If multiple files will be attached, click the Add File Attachment button and repeat the upload process. Expand the Comment section to add more information as needed. Click Save to save an incomplete form for later, or click Submit to submit the form to the approval workflow. Gideon Taylor eForms leverages PeopleSoft AWE to create powerful and flexible approval flows that can accommodate any institution's business process. The results page also displays a transaction log, which includes a timestamp for each form action, so no details of a form's lifecycle are missed. This template is designed to give institutions a head start when implementing an online course management system. Gideon Taylor consultants can help clients define and curate form fields and form logic, configure complex workflows for every business process, and build component interfaces to automate PeopleSoft updates. Thanks for watching, and check out the next video in the series for modifying a course.